How's it going, everybody? So I got myself another project. You know, I took a bunch of stuff to the dump the other day, and this was sitting out front. Asked the guy at the dump if I could have it, and he says, yeah, I'd take it. So this is a micro tractor. I know it looks like a rototiller, but it's actually better than a rototiller. This has a PTO. So if I went through and bought more attachments for this piece of machinery, this could do more than just rototill, which is cool. I haven't tried starting it up. I do know that the clutch back here is seized. It does not operate. So I'm going to have to crack that open, take a look at it, figure out what's wrong and fix it. It's also got a flat tire, but I gave the pull cord a little bit of a yank. It has good compression. There's oil in the pan. There's a leak, I believe, in the case gasket, so that's going to have to get fixed, or replace the gasket. But, you know, mechanically most of it seems to be in working condition, which is nice. I don't think I'm going to be getting any other attachments anytime soon, but the tines here do spin, and with the PTO clutch engaged, it does spin the wheel in there. Let's see if I can show you that. I'm spinning the tines, and it moves. So the PTO clutch still works. I believe it's just the clutch for the drive wheels that is seized up. So that's a little teaser for a project that I've got. Other than that, it seems to be in pretty good shape. The stickers are pretty much worn off. This wasn't well taken care of, but it was, or it is, a Troy built. If you look really closely, you can see what it says. It's Troy built. Yeah, most of the stickers are just shot. You can read the operating instructions, and you know, the main drive clutch works because it's just a belt that lifts and, or it's a linkage that lifts and drops the motor. It's a little sticky, but it works. I think that just needs a little bit of grease and that'll be fine. But yeah, new project. Hopefully I'll get it all put together by spring. That way, come spring, I can go through and till up the entire garden area in just a couple of hours instead of just a couple of weeks. You know, that would be really nice for me. So, I'll be showing you how this is going. Just need to crack it open, see what's wrong, fix what's wrong, and then keep doing more and more troubleshooting until it's fixed. I'm not going to do a full restoration because, well, I don't have that kind of time or money. But getting it functional is about where I need it to be. Well, that's all I got for this. Y'all have fun. Bye.